Welcome to another video on my Raspberry Pi 3 in combination with the PiXtend PLC programmable logic control, running Linux, a special version of Raspbian Linux to be exact, and programmed in Python. Last time I made some efforts to get signals from and to digital out and other stuff, which didn't work out at all. So the big question is why. This is ground wire, then this is analog out. There's analog in. I have probes again at digital out. I have probes at other stuff. Main fact is that despite I don't use the serial port now, and I don't use relay now, still a lot of things don't make sense at all. The question is why? I don't know. I get flat lines where I should get a sinusoid. I get too low values where I would get where I would expect at least some voltage. I know that these voltages are going very low, 2 or 3 volts where I expect at least 5. So I don't know where this is going. Right now on the oscilloscope I see on this probe some nice signal, but to investigate that, let's go to screencast and see on the oscilloscope. Alright, so here you can see my desktop again. This is SSH to the serial to the Raspberry Pi. Let me name it SSH. Alright. Well, this is virtual environment. Let me put it like this so you can see it's not the same thing. My Python code, oscilloscope, and well, this speaks for itself. So interesting thing is this. Let me change. Okay, so this is some kind of block wave, and that block wave is coming from, oh, I was wrong by the way, that is not this one, it is this one that is showing it, which is pulse width modulation, which makes sense then. So I should change this one. No, that's not right. This has to be slope. I have to select 4, one menu, and then pulse. So no, this has to be 4. So now this one is actually really showing a pulse width. Now the question is, can I change it? Probably not. Not that easy. Still question, this one is analog out. It doesn't show a thing. So program is not running. Now it is. Can I see something different than other? Right, let me change the voltages. Okay, 3. Oh wait, I'm changing the time base now. That's not it's not what I want to do. This is 2 volts. This one is 2 volts. No, 10. This is 2 volts. But the thing is, of course, what do I want to see? I want to see really stuff. And the fact that it doesn't stay at this point means that there is some signal, but it is not an analog signal at all. Changing time base. Still nothing at all. Oh wait. DAC output, that is true. DAC output, there's a problem there. Because for some reason line 1, 2, 3 is here. DAC output is nothing. Here it is. Here it's not. So if I do something like this, D, no D, O. Now I am assigning although that may be a wrong idea. Well, because now I set the DAC output to 512, but let's just try. If you don't try anything, you won't know anything. Alright, go. And I think it kind of went okay. None. Oh, analog output 0 is none. Oh, that's not good. So there's no analog output. Which in itself is strange, because if there's no output, why does it show output? Because here this is not 0, it shows 4 volts. This is 2, then this is 4 volts. Let me change this. See, it's not 0. So this is a bit out of the ordinary as far as I'm concerned. Alright, according to the manual I have to use DAC selection first to use either analog out 1 or 2. This is 1, this is 2. So what I am doing is first setting the selection to 0, then see for the set DAC output for 512, and then using the other one, which is the yellow line, to 256. So now I'm very curious what will happen. I haven't run it yet. Now I am running it, and very curious what will happen. What will I see here on screen, if anything? Oh, really? That is a nice thing to see. So 512 and 256 do differ. Now I'm going to do it a little bit different. So I say time dot sleep being 1 and no here, and I say here 256 or 1023, that's even better. 24 time dot sleep 1, and here the curious case of no. And this being 1 and this being 512. What will happen now? Quit, go. What will the signals show? Okay, not allowed. 1023 then. Only 10 bits values max. Okay, no, alright. I don't mind, as long as it works. So it counts from 0 to 1023, which are 1024 values. I don't mind. Yeah. However, this is an analog output. So that basically shows that, oh, that's a nice one. Okay, I have to increase. Alright, let me keep it at 500 microseconds. Or even slower, 200 microseconds. 2/10 of a second, of a millisecond. What do I see? I do not see a wave. I do not see anything about that. But I do see a difference. I expected an analog value as a sine wave, but it clearly doesn't show that. Okay, lesson learned. Alright, so the difference is not what I expected, which is a sinusoid wave, but there is clearly a difference in value, and that is to be seen even with the 5 volt setting. So yeah, things kind of do work. That's it for this time. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video thumbs up and leave a comment or suggestion. Very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter, and please show your support by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired. You can also become a patron and have your name mentioned. on my website and with my videos. For more information, please see under this video or the next short informative part of the video. This is going to be continued, obviously. For now, have a nice day and stay safe. Bye bye.